from DPS Lamator. In our previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 12, Smart Charts. Today we are going to start new chapter from your Maths NCERT book, chapter number 13, Ways to Multiply and Divide. In this chapter, we will be learning different ways to multiply and divide. So let's begin. Chapter number 13, Ways to Multiply and Divide. The first topic is Maniratnam the cashier. So open your books, page number 170. Maniratnam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out salary of the people who work for the king. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. So in this table you can see person and salary in a day. So minister's salary in a day is rupees 195. Horse rider's salary in a day is rupees 76. Cook's salary in a day is rupees 65. So Maniratnam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook for the month of January. So he wrote, in this table you can see they have break the numbers. So what they have done, first of all, how many days are there in the month of January? 31. So first they have break 31 by 30 plus 1. And cook's salary in a day is 65. That is 60 plus 5. So now how we will calculate? First you will write horizontally 60 and 5. Then vertically write here 30 and 1. So multiply 30 into 60, that is 1800. 30 into 5, 150. 60 into 1, 60. 5 into 1, 5. Now we will add all these numbers. So to find out how much is the salary of the cook for the month of January, we will add all these numbers. So 1800 plus 150 plus 60 plus 5. It is rupees 2015. So this is the method which Maniratnam has used for calculating the salary of the people who are working for the king. Number 2. Maniratnam's daughter Bella has learned another method to multiply. So she wrote like this and showed it to Bhanu, her brother. In your books you can see this picture. Bhanu said, Akka, how did you do this? So Bella replied, we can multiply 65 with 31 in 2 steps. First step is multiply 65 by 1 and second step is multiply 65 by 30. As we know, 31, if we break it will be 30 plus 1. So now let us see how she has multiplied. 65 into 1, that is 65. 65 into 30, that is 1950. Now add 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 2015. If you notice, Maniratnam's method for calculating and Bella's method, both the way answer is same. So now let us see how Bhanu has turned the question. Next, come to page number 171. Now Bhanu tried to find out the salary of the minister for the month of January. So he multiplied 195 into 31. So now let us see how he has turned this multiplication through Bella's method. In the book you can see this picture. What Bhanu said, to multiply 195 by 30. First he has written here 0. Then he simply has to multiply 195 into 3. So here first we will multiply 195 by 1. That is 195. Then 195 into 3. So let us multiply 195 into 3. So here 195 into 3. 5 3s are 15 and 5. So right here 585. Now add 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 8 plus 1 and 1, 10, 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is coming 6045. So if Maniratnam has to calculate this Let us see his method, how he would have done. So first break 195, that is 190 plus 5. Then break 31, 30 plus 1. Now multiply. You have to multiply 30 into 190, that is 5700. 5 into 30, 150. 190 into 1, 190. 5 into 1, 5. Now we will add these numbers. So let us add here 5700 plus 190 plus 155. So here 5, 9 plus 5, 4, 1 carry. It will be 0 and 6. So both the method answer is same. Bella's method as well as Mani Ratnam's method. So now let us start with practice time. Use Bella's method to multiply these numbers. Number 1, 32 into 46. So by Bella's method we know that first we will multiply 32 by 6. Then we will multiply 32 by 40. So for 40, first we will add the 0 here. So we simply have to multiply 32 by 4. So 32 into 4, that is 128. So right here 1, 2, 8. Now add 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 8, 17. 2, 3 and 4 and 1. So the answer is 1472. Now B part, multiply 67 into 18. So by Bella method we know that first we'll multiply 67 into 8. Then we'll multiply 67 into 10. So 67 into 10. So here the answer is 670. So multiply 67 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 6 8s are 48. And 5 is 53. 68 into 5, 53. So right here 5, 3, 6. So now add 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 6, 12. So the answer is 1206. Question number 2. Do these in your notebook using Bella's method. A part, 47 into 19. So first we will multiply here 47 by 9. So in bracket first you will write 47 into 9. And second bracket you will write 47 into 10. 47 into 10. So multiply 47 by 9. 7 9s are 63. 9 4s are 36 plus 6, that is 42. So right here 423. Now as here it is 0, so you will put the 0 here. Then 47 into 1, that is 47. So then add here, answer is 398. 893. Now B part, 188 into 91. So first you will multiply here 188 into 1. Then 188 into 90. So 8 ones are 8. 188 ones are 188. Now 0 you will put here. So 188 into 9. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72 plus 7. That is 8 nines are 72 plus 7. That is 79. 9 ones are 9 plus 7, 16. So right here 1, 6, 9, 2. So add here 8, 8, 9, 10, 0. 1 carry 9, 10, 11. 1 carry 7 and 1. So the answer is 17,108. C part, 63 into 57. So let us multiply for 63 by 7. 63 into 7. Next we will multiply 63 into 50. As we have break 57 as 50 plus 7. So now let us multiply 63 into 7. 7 3s are 21 and 44. So right here 441. So put the 0 at last. Now multiply 63 into 5. That is 315. So right here 5, 1, 3. Now add 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 1, 5 and 3. So answer is 3591. Now D part, 225 into 22. So first we will break 225 into 2. Second we will break 225 into 20. So 225 into 2, let us multiply. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 2s are 4. Answer is 450. So now 0 will come. So again 225 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5 and 2 2s are 4. Again it will come 450. So now add 0, 5, 9 and 4. So the answer is 4950. So I hope students, Bella's method is clear. So other parts will be a homework. Practice those questions in your notebook. Next topic, Shantaram, a special cook. So this topic is there in your book, page number 172. So Shantaram is a special cook who comes only for party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. For each day, how much he is paid? Rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. So first we will write salary paid to Shantaram for 1 day. So let us write here salary paid to Shantaram for 1 day. How much it is paid? Rupees 165. Now salary paid to Shantaram for 28 days. So we will multiply 165 by 28. 165 into 28. So students, we have to do this multiplication by Bella's method. So first we will multiply 165 into 8. 165 into 8. Then we will multiply 165 into 20. We have break 28 as 20 plus 8. So multiply 165 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48 plus 4, 52. 8 1s are 8 and 5 13. So right here 1320. Now 0 we will put here 165 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 13, 2 1s are 2. So right here 0, 3, 3. Now add them 0, 2, 6, 4. So the answer is coming 4620. At last we will write, hence the Shantaram gets in all the money rupees 4620. Second question, if cook is called for all days of the year, how much salary will he get? So students, we know that 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. And cook was getting for 1 day how much salary? Rupees 165. So we will multiply 165 by 365 by using Bella's method. So let us do the expanded form of 365. So the expanded form of 365 is 300 plus 60 plus 5. So first we will multiply 165 by 5. Then 165 into 60. Then 165 into 300. So multiply 165 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. So right here 825. As here is only 1 0, so put 0 at last. So 165 into 6. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. So it is coming 990. So right here 990. As 2 zeros are here, put 2 zeros to the right corner. Then multiply 165 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. So right here, 495. So now we will add 5, 2, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 5, 22. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is coming 60,225. So at last we will write, thus the cook will get rupees 60,225 for a year. Next topic, years and years. Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses of water Sohan drinks? 8 glasses of water every day. Number 1, how many glasses of water will he drink in 1 month? So we know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. So we will multiply 8 into 30. Let us multiply here. 30 into 8. That is 240. So write here 240. At last we will write, therefore, Sohan drinks 240 glasses of water in 1 month. Second question, how many glasses will he drink in 1 year? We know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. So we will multiply 365 into 8. Let us multiply here 365 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48 plus 4 52. 8 3s are 24 plus 5, that is 29. So write here 2,920. So how many glasses will he drink in 1 year? Sohan drinks 2,920 glasses of water in 1 year. Third question, if 125 people living in a colony drinks 8 glasses of water in a day, how much water will he drink in 1 year? So right now we have calculated for 1 year, that is 2,920 glasses of water. So we will multiply 2,920 by 125. So students, this question you have to do by own. Multiply using Bella's method. I hope this method is clear. You simply have to expand the number and multiply. Students, at last you will write, therefore, 125 people living in a colony drinks 3,65,000 glasses of water in 1 year. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Tulin ma'am's class. So chapter number 13, part 1 NCERT book questions from page number 170 to 172 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. I'll continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.